Two more. Hello, welcome. I'm just checking the quality settings and video and sound settings. My voice is nice, so the music volume seems okay. So let me check the resolution also. Programmer, hello, welcome. Okay, the Twitch gave us 180 pixel to with 60 frame per second to 150 160 pixel as well. Okay, programmer, no worry, you can just watch maybe instead. Okay, that's nice. We have all the resolutions here. That is nice, I think. So I need a few minutes to check the sound and see everything is okay. Yeah, everything seems fine so far. And let's see. Oh, there are 4 streamers right now. That's nice. Wow, 4 streamers. That is nice. Paris, hello, welcome. That's nice. There's 4 streamers right now. That's okay. Okay, let's start with tonight's first. I think everything seems okay right now with the sound and the resolution also, and Twitch gave us all the resolution options from HD to 160 pixel also, so people can watch which resolution they want. That's nice. Okay. Yeah, 4 people streaming right now, which is quite nice. Okay, let's start a private clash and let's start the reverse ones tonight. I just copy the link and let me update my command. Where is it? Custom command. Edit. And saved. Yeah, you can just type exclamation dot link to chat to get the current flash. Marco, thanks for the host, by the way. Architecture, welcome. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, we are now 4 people in the first stream of the night. First clash of the night, not the stream. To Berk Descent, thank you. Welcome to stream, Berk. No, don't worry. It's okay. I mean, I probably I stream in CodinGames as a as all probably not always, but mostly in English. Oh, first I can maybe convert it to long, then as an IP address, maybe I should write it as an IP address constructor maybe. Just want to ask you something, but it's probably not the best time. You can ask, I mean, it's okay, you can always ask. Var IP is long parse files. Why there is no suggestion here? I mean, there should be a suggestion. Is the allow hex specified? Weird. Oh, there is no using that globalization maybe? Yeah. Allow hex fire. And which is includes using system.net. I can var real is I think the constructor, yeah, new address as a constructor, I think IP1, which takes long. Initialize the new so IP address with class address specified as a long. Exactly. Now I can write real IP dot as an address. This one. Oh, because I should use this substring to, since the 0x is not needed. And which okay. To string maybe. Try to string here. Try this one. Oh, there's a reverse one. No, I should not keep it as a reverse. Oh, wait a second. What is the best way to write it? So, but what is the best way to write it here? Why I can open this page? That's weird. I can't even open this one. My connection is somehow bad. Am I dropping frames? No, I don't drop frames. That is so weird. Oops! No, 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 no. What's going on? Oh yeah, finally. No, no, not. Don't cancel. What the hell is going on in my PC right now? can't even, I mean, why I can't even open a single page? Is my connection bad? No, it seems nice. At least I'm not dropping any frames. Address any internet protocol address. So no, that's not the case. Why I can't even this one? That's weird. That one. Standard notation. Over for the second. Yeah, it's always. Okay, then I should do some string join. I'm probably missing something here too, since it's probably do a easier way to complete this one, but I don't know. Display all test cases. Yeah. So I can submit my solution. But I don't even know, maybe there's probably an easier way to do it. Okay, Rohit architecture is already solved. Oh, you're only waiting for me. Oops, sorry about that. The freak 77, which is 16 times 7 and plus 7. Okay, so what does that mean, for example? Let's solve architecture, solve this one. It's quite fun. Difficulty is perfect and test case relevancy is ideal, so I can submit it. I mean, maybe I am not sure how to solve this the perfect way, but it's okay to use IP address class in for C#, for example. For me, at least. So let's start a new one. I just copy the link and let me Edit my custom page. No, don't type right now. I will inform you. And I saved. You can type right now, !link to get the current one. Okay, we are now 3 people here. Okay, we are now 4 people. Okay. No. As at virgül 1. Peki. Box. Display all test cases. Yeah. Oops. Failed with test case 3. Oh, this is not what question is about. Oh. Okay, this is not what question is all about. I totally mistake it. So I should start with um plus plus else counter, and after that console.writeLine. Display all test cases. Oops. And one. Oh, okay, I shouldn't. Uh, hmm. We should our max is 0, and every max is at that max counter. I should write max here. That's nice. So I can submit my solution. That's nice. I like this kind of questions, honestly. It is easy to manipulate, easy to use some string usage, for example. I think it's quite fun. Difficulty, I think this was, we should say, easy maybe. Let's say relevancy is ideal. Okay, architecture, Paris and Rohit still clashing. Maybe I should um, refresh my page. Is there something wrong with my page? Oh no, okay. That's okay. Paris, you have 80%, maybe um, maybe you should get this one uh, after every iteration in this if else outside if this if else part. For example, in here instead. You can check my solution also. I think it's quite understandable, at least. Rohit, it's asked how many characters, adjacent characters at most in the number. How many digits adjacent, which is the nearby, at maximum number, as a maximum number. Rohit is 40%. Yeah, that's not the case exactly. Architecture sold in 100%, of course. Because there is no nearby digit, Rohit. There's only at maximum one digit, which is the itself for all the digits. There is no nearby adjacent, which means that comes after one. If it was 5223, then we can say there is a two number nearby. Paris, goodbye. I mean, for this one, I tried to calculate like that. I had a counter for every adjust digit counter and as a maximum counter also. So I start with the first character. First character is the equal to previous character, so I increase the counter. If not, I set the counter one. That means I had a new character or new digit. And for every iteration, I assign the max, which is counter and max variables as a maximum value to the max. And after all the iteration, I write the console as a maximum number. I mean, also I solve it this way, and it passes all the test cases, so I think it's okay at least. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Start a new one. I just click the link and let me update my commands. I just need a few minutes, a few seconds. Yeah, you can type right now !link to get the current link. We stream in a really bad hour. I mean, almost no people here to solving a clashing. That's weird. I mean, in this house, we probably in maybe 15 and 20 people, but right now there are only 5 people. Any idea why does this quite open asking me the capture question? Really? Capture question? I don't know honestly. Misiladityam, you can type exclamation dot link to the chat. You can get the current one. Maybe are you using some VPN or something? Oh, this is the integer to Roman, huh? So, what was the in here? There's only one exception, I think, when we solve, when we calculate the yeah, when we calculate the. Okay, let's create a dictionary first of all. Where dictionary is if we are and is an int? No. Yeah, I mean, oh, maybe I should, oh, I solved this one before, but should I start with the last digit? Maybe. Maybe I should start with last digit. maybe and I should write all the possibilities here as a no, not 900. The 1000 starting with 1. Which one is starting with 1000? M, right? Yeah, M was the and M will be 900 and the 500, which is V, right? V was the no D. Not nope. I'm giving it on timeout. Was the 400 and it 400, right? Oops. And 9 and 50, 40, 10. X 40 A L, right? Yeah. And XL X many times I 9 4 and 1. And this one is 5. Yeah, would be the correct, I think. Here, let's create a string builder. Var h2 is equal to 0. Oh, there is already E here. While and bigger than 0. I should calculate how many times with that item. For example, part times is and write dictionary I, which is the looks for the first item, for example, which is 1000. Um, and um, minus equal multiple by and no, not multiple times oops, I write the no, I write this for so bad, honestly. I should write as a key value pair, and key should be the integer representation of it, but I write in here as a string representation, which seems okay, but can write, I can calculate this one like that. That values where um, he is no, I can write this one like that. At least I shouldn't write, because maybe I should create a two integer and string array at least. Value, not the value. Okay, if I know the key here, for example, first the right value here, yeah, is I to key, but no, no, I shouldn't calculate like this one. I write this perfectly, but I wish I very similar how we convert decimal to binary. Exactly, but no, that's not the case here. I miss created with that dictionary at first. No, because there's no Yeah, I need to calculate all the how many times in that occur as a first of all. What? I and value maybe. I mean, I don't have any time either. Oh, let's clear my code. Oops. I don't know why my internet has a so bad tonight. Weird. Okay, let's check plus solution. Yeah, it's written all to numbers. This is exactly what I try to do. You try number and how many times that means that div means how many times that occurred in that uh, uh, number. For example, if we start 8000, that means there is an 8 times, which is m character. Yeah, that's so easy with that one. Function to convert decimals to numerals. I hope you just didn't copy from that for any other resources on the internet. I mean, it looks like that, but I want to believe in people. Okay, that's nice. June has also solved. Paranoid, welcome. Hello. Okay, that's too complicated, I think. I don't understand. Okay, that's fine. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and give me some few seconds. And I can save it, so you can type !link to the chat. T-Boy, hello, welcome. Okay, Asparex also joins. Celtic joined. No, June, I don't need actually, but Moobot does this the same functionality already, I mean, so I don't need any other bot to just do that. Okay, we are now 9 people right now, that's nice. Uh, Call the Tom, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, this one is quite easy. Fun difficulty is easy. Best case relevancy is ideal. Oops, 80%? Really? Can you show your code? Paranoid, maybe we can check it. But there are still people clashing, so after the clash is end at least. Yeah, it might be, it might be. Maybe the overflow is the reason here. I eat, what did I eat? I eat some salad. Yeah. Theos also joined. Asparex architecture also sold in. Yeah, I mean people are Moobut, yeah, I mean people are getting faster and faster. Samuel Karinhas, welcome, first time to see you. Okay, there are only 4 people left. You're also first time? Really? Zadityam, I remember you before. 3 enough, 3 if and def and Celtic also sold. 2 boy and June only left. D-boy couldn't solve this one. Okay, the June is still clashing. The only one is. I saw our channel for the first time today, believe me. Oh, really? Oh, okay, that's nice. Paranoid, probably if you check the maybe these operators in JavaScript and you can check there's an overflow probably. I mean, probably the reason should be overflow. I can see it now. Let's not keep you waiting. Okay, June, it's quite easy, I think. You have to just calculate the multiple of the first 2 number and get the module as a third number. And this one just test all the test cases. I left before hearing your command. It came to my mind. Yeah, probably it is. I mean, probably in JavaScript in here. Yeah, it might be the reason that this calculation. Probably you get some overflow or something, and the one of the probably module operator changed the behavior itself because of the different value probably. Maybe use parse long. Tycon, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. That's nice. Okay, let's back to home. Everybody understand the question already. Let's start a new one. And give me a few seconds to update the commands. And you can type !link to chat to get the current link. Oh, let's invite Alice is also online. Let's invite Alice. Eos is also online. Wow, we are now 11 people. That's nice. Super nice. 12 people right now. Do I watch any TV shows? Not right now. And I probably just only watch some Netflix. I always try to watch, for example, the Queen's Gambit in Netflix, but I couldn't watch it so far. No, I didn't watch Friends, but I watched How I Met Your Mother. On my internet, it's so slow. I only get the third one. It's fun. Difficulty is too easy. I think test case relevancy is ideal. We never solved this kind of questions for such a lot of people joined like that. That's weird. I mean, isn't this easy for such a lot of people? I mean, I don't see exactly pattern for the questions level, but when a lot of people joined the clash, I think I never saw this kind of easy questions. Okay, there are only 4 people left. Yeah, I mean, people are getting faster and faster every day. Since we generally and repeatedly practicing every day. Probably I will stream. Do I stream every day? No, not every day. Maybe I will. I mean, do I stream for every day? Let me check this one after the stream. For example, for a month, I probably might be stream every day. Which ISP do you currently use? I use Super Online. Algebra, welcome. Ben couldn't solve this one, so you can check the other solutions as well, if you like. Thank you, Algebra. How are you? Hope you're okay as well. Now we are now 20 people. That's nice. Celtic Salt as well, and there are only 2 people left. It's all good. Evenings on Balkans pass with Turkish series. Oh, really? Like for example, Sultan Süleyman, maybe. All of them are bad, but the best performance I ever had was with Cablonet. Actually, yeah. My where I live, there is no Cablonet um, structure, so under the houses. From my previous house where I live, there is a cablenet also. I really like their services, but since I moved here and I don't have any cablenet structure. Yeah, Sultan Süleyman probably played for a few years ago. You're right. Yeah, I am in the Asian side. You're right. I don't know the name of the movie that's the most famous now. Here in main character names are um John Deed. Let me check. I don't know Turkish. I don't watch any Turkish series for a long time. Oh, I know this one. I know this one. It's called Erkenci Kuş. I don't know how to translate it to your language, but yeah. Miss Sladitiam still clashing. I mean, are you still clashing or? Yeah, yeah, early bird probably. Yeah, I mean, I never watched honestly the romantic guy. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I never watched Turkish series for a long time. The last time I watched as a Turkish series, which is called Behzatçı probably. Um, you have taste, man. Yeah, I mean, exactly, exactly. I think it might be one of the best TV series, Turkish TV series I have ever watched. For example, when I was a child, I watched Bizimkiler. I think or Kaygısızlar maybe the number one. I don't know. It's hard to choose honestly. Okay, Siladityams, you are you still clashing by the way, or we should pass? We should get the next one. Vertical waiting, but I have no idea how to solve it. I'm gonna think more. Okay, okay. I really like Turkey. I hope one day I can live for a few years in Istanbul. Probably. I mean, Istanbul not good city for living. I mean, if you're visiting here, it's one of the best city in the world. I am sure about that. But for living, it's not good as you think, honestly. Yeah, Antalya is. It's a nice day also. I mean, you can swim whenever you want. Not too much crowded, and yeah, Antalya might be the best one. But that depends on a lot of things. So Solidity, I'm okay. Maybe I should give a hint. It's the sum of two numbers. No, not sum of the two numbers. It's multiple of two numbers. One is number itself. The other one is you should find. For example, 1 and 0 can give you a big hint for that. Okay, Sladityam, it's the maybe we should just pass the next one. You can continue here, by the way. And it was asking to multiple of the number itself and the minus number for itself. Create a new one. Let me update the custom command. Okay, I saved it, and you can type exclamation dot link to the chat. CEOs, oh no. We have a new message. Is Remy posting our, yeah, it's still posting our invite CEOs also. Hey, have you made a new contest before it ended? Yeah, I did. Really? Why? I mean there are still. I mean, it's not. I think to be good to wait for all the people for just waiting for someone for 10 minutes, which such a like that question. It's not fair, I think. I got a computer science exam tomorrow. Hopefully this is a good practice and not just me procrastination. Good luck. Good luck with your exam. Okay, we are now 12 people. Okay, that's nice. Hmm. Let's check D here. Not. Check also. Zero is negative. Otherwise, it's positive. Yeah, that's okay. Precision. And on that right line, scale. Rescale this and the that length. This should work, I think, for all the test cases. Little test cases here. Oops, I forget some little test cases again. Okay, for the first one, it writes as a right positive. Precision doesn't write precision. Why? Um, is one? Really? Oh, maybe the parsing is wrong. Maybe I should uh, replace this one. Let me try this one. Why didn't write in precision? Check the input and Check how many counts per its digits. 4 for this one, which is 5. Oh, I forget the plus sign here. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should write one also. Maybe I don't even this. Okay, let's play all this. Scale is 1. Really? How this game is scale 19? Where does 19 came from? Do I get somehow floating point madness? Why did I guess? Uh, why did I guess scale? Maybe I should calculate math truncate. Will be better solution. Maybe d minus math truncate d. Calculates the integral part and specify the following number. Maybe it's correct answer. Let's try this one. How this returns scale 1? I don't even get it. I should try other one. Oops, an invalid? Oh, there might be a minus character as well. Okay. The correct one is double try parse input. Maybe this should be okay. No, why do I always get scale 1? Why do I get scale 1? Works for invalid test cases. Let me check it. Is there a way to see internal test cases? Probably we can't. I don't see, honestly. Is there any way to solve this one? Why am I failing here? So, isn't that the scale of the how many digits of that? So, it is 0? Really? I don't even believe that this would be this, the right way to solve this. Maybe we can just, but yeah, this might be the correct. Maybe put let's um the and first one the length. And 9, really? Oh, first one does not have, and maybe comma as well. Yeah, I always overthinking. I mean, test case 3. Oh, hmm. Okay, I don't have that time. If you find the challenge in the contribute tab, you can see all the validator test cases. Ah, yeah, yeah, that might be the probably only way, right? I never saw other than this, for example. Yep, a lot of people see of Samuel and also solve as a perfect way. That's nice. So let's check their solutions. Let's check CEOs. And oh, he does some string manipulation here. Okay, it's float as an accept, print, invalid and exit. 0, so negative and positive, else neutral. Sign S. What is S here? Where you should set S. Oh, this is the sign S. Okay, precision. K is here. This is the input length. Okay, scale is small s, is 0 here. And where other lamb? What is lamb here? Oh, the other parts, the second part when you split it. Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay, someone also solved in Python, which is it looks like the simpler way. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. I think it's quite fun. Difficulty perfect, and test says relevancy is ideal, so I can submit it. Okay, let's write a new one. I just back to home, start a private clash, and let's start a new one. And I just copy the link here and give me a few seconds to update. And yeah, you can now type exclamation dot link to the chat to join. Um, um, Here we are now. Alice also joined. We are now 7 people. Could you do please tell us hiring process for Akbank after this challenge? I mean, um, I don't know because I'm not in hiring process. I mean, if you ask me how I hired, it's almost an 8 years before, 8 years ago, and it probably changed their hiring process. Okay, we are now 12 people here. But I mean, I don't like too much to talk about my employment in my streams. Wait a second. Oh, okay. Oh. Hmm. I will argue that such as a must. If you know them have a good communication skills, you almost like to get hired. Exactly, I mean. No, Sunflow, I mean, I'm not gonna comment on your as what you write in chat. Why did I lose? Güven, hello, welcome. Yeah, I mean, I still overthinking. I mean, why do I need? I don't need two for loops here. Um, I mean, I still overthinking. We will delete this one. Let's build this. Yeah, I finally figured it out. So I can submit it. Yeah, I don't even why I was thinking that I need two for loops for that. I don't even need that one. Okay, CEO, Samuel, Denius, Alice, Asparix, June, G call is already solved. There are only 5 people left. I like this. Difficulty. Difficulty is perfect. Somehow, people might get it wrong, like me, for example. So this case are ideal, so I can submit it. Jun, you aren't you already here? Um, Oh, you said to Gwen. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry about that. Gwen, how are you, by the way? Long time no see. Hope you're okay. Okay, Paranoid, for example, G code solved in JavaScript also, you can check his code. And also June solved in JavaScript, for example, you can check his code as well. Let's Sinus solve this in C#. Okay, that's nice. I was away for a few minutes. You can type exclamation dot link to the chat, Güven, and you can get the current flash link. There are still 3 minutes left. Maybe you can solve this one in time.
I noticed the lights were on and I thought you might be home. I wasn't sure.
Okay, algebra solved. Pamphlet has also solved. I was getting errors on the test cases, now it's 100%. I mean, sometimes steps, maybe there are some problems in the test cases for Python or for this code you wrote, for example. I mean, validation is always the right way to do it. Okay, there are only 1.5 minutes left. Viatzel and Seaboy still clashing. I've seen a few clashers on Twitch, but Sonar is my favorite. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Alice, welcome. Thank you so much. GS Reverse, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, we have Salan Seaboy still clashing. I guess the only run who the validator test case is when you submit. The largest validator test case is 8 and your code is only fails for 11 plus. Oh. Oh, that might be the case, yeah. C-Boy sold in 50%. Okay. Are there any people who sold in C? So can, for example, can check C-Boy's code and see what's wrong with it. Maybe one of these ones are unnecessary. Maybe, I don't know. I guess stuffed with the name. Did you get the prime generator written? Okay, VSL has 25% also. VSL, you can check a lot of people solved this one in Python. You can check one of them if you want. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash down. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and give me a few seconds to update the current commands. Yeah, you can type exclamation.link to the chat. To get the current one. I still recommend rolling your own, but I can link you mine if you wanna see a cute way to do. Yeah, we have C++ emojis. We have also Ruby. We have also, yeah, Ruby emojis just for Alice, but he never used it, unfortunately. Do you know why apartments in Alanya so cheap if you are from Turkey? Are they cheap? I mean, I don't know. Alanya is a very touristic way, very touristic area, by the way. I mean, apartments. Yeah, define cheap exactly. I mean, cheap to who? Whispered it on account of Soner's twinkle boots. Well, they are cheaper than my country, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and you cannot compare it and Turkey. I mean, Turkish economy is going down for these days, so that might be the reason. Okay, if this is, I think this is not easy way, so only 2 people solved this so far, but uh, oh, wait a second. 2, 5, 5, maybe A, D, E, uh, wait a second, 10, no, 1, and 25, and 50, no, not the case, 12, 55, no, that's not the case also. Um, yeah, because of the currencies probably. Okay, I understand. Still not. Nibble Whites, hello, welcome. At first, think I have the problem, but there are only 2 people solved this one so far. So yeah, I didn't get it so far. Let me check. Let me focus more maybe. There's some flow me too. Nibble wise, you can check this, for example, John Skeet Singleton article for that. If you type Google John Skeet Singleton, you can check his Singleton class as well. Hansi Nation, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I mean, um, no, that's not the case. What are the orders? Total of orders: 1, 2, 5, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 12, 19. Not the case. Um, I mean, this might be the B is the second character and E is the fifth character, and we should write 25. The order of the alphabet. For example, if it is more than 2, it is first 2 character total, which is 2 plus 1 is 3, and C is the third character, and write 3. But is this the case here? That shouldn't be the case, because for this one, test case 3, it didn't work like that, which is 2, 1, 2, 5. Which is, wait a second, 2, 1, 2, 5, 21 plus 25, which is 46. Is this the question was all about? Wait a second, let's try this one. And 12, 34, 56. So 56, no, it won't work for that case. Yeah. No, nibble bites, don't give any hint, please. At least not right, and at least not right now. Tamaski each character and divide by 2. No, that might not, because this won't work for this one. This won't work. There should be another thing, but I think the order of the character in alphabet one, I can't figure out exactly what is. Uh, yeah, I'm not sure what to do, what to say. I mean, maybe all 12, 34. What is total? Now how shall 75 here? It's 56 plus 34, 50 plus 34. No, that's not the case either. I started learn Ruby to have any chance in the small code challenges. I mean, you can join with us. No way to compare with C# etc. Great to hear Ruby is amazing for golf. Yeah, exactly. I mean, you can still join with us. You can always type exclamation dot link to the chat to get the current um, link at least. Oh, maybe it's too late, maybe not, but I don't see anything. Maybe only called. Maybe the average of. Oh. Baby Shark has been played 704 billion times on YouTube. Should work or something like that. Yeah, I mean, I have no idea honestly. Yeah, I mean, I can submit it. I have no idea. Let me check Alice code. We probably understand. Oh, okay. S to upper var, char is letter. Okay, it's sum of calculated there hexadecimal values. Wow, I will never think that honestly. Yeah, I will never think that probably. Calculating their hexadecimal values, some of their hexadecimal values. Yeah, I will never probably think that. That's nice. It was a nice question, I think. But I just couldn't figure it out. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and give me a few minutes, a few seconds to custom. Edit. I saved. Yeah, you can just type exclamation link to the chat, get the current link. Wow, we are already 2 hours streamed. Oh my goodness. Time passed too much. Fast. Jabot, thank you. Okay, that's an timing. Um, what? Yeah, I can. We solved this one before. Oh, it's the bot? Oh, okay. But even if it is bot, I mean, I like it since he called me the best. So that means it's a good bot. Fun difficulties, so easy, and test case relevancy is ideal. And hello streamer, I'm really enjoying your CodinGame link content. You are very good at science. Yeah, exactly. Oh man, I hate it so much when final code fails on inner test. Final code? I mean, I don't see the final code, but is the final test case is the different ones? I mean, it has something different. Yes, everything. Okay, everybody's solved right now? No. Algebra? Oops. 50%? Really? Oh, no, not for the 7 only. Oh, yeah. Since all the digits contains. Okay, I think other than this, everybody can solve this one. That's also why you get rating of test case relevance. Yeah, I mean, we thought it was base 7, really? I mean, there's a 9, if I remember correctly, at the first test case, even. Okay, paranoid also solved. I mean, even he thought it was base 7, I think it shouldn't be contain 7. I think it should contain only 0 to 6. Maybe base 8 will be the right answer pins, right? One of the digits from his name at random and just grabbed the wrong one. Yeah. It's probably a flow joke. Yeah. Okay, there are only G call also sold. Base 7 is 0 to 6, but it was otherwise a solid. Sunflow Q64 also sold. June and Seaboy still clashing. By the way, we created for a custom GIF and sound for subscription widget, guys. I mean, you'll probably like it, and it's usually a normal when you, for example, when you fall off the fidget and there's a zombie which is running, but I tried to create some custom custom widget for GIF and for the sound. I hope you will be enjoying it when you hear or see it at the first time. Because I we tried a little bit hard to create it, but I'm not saying to just to subscribe my channel. I mean, don't get me wrong, honestly. But you will like it when someone subscribe it. Okay, June T-Boy still clashing, June still clashing. No, I never worked as a freelance. I mean, I primarily work in with C# algebra, but there are a lot of languages used by a lot of different groups, teams as well. I got it too late for no reason. I mean, it happens. It happens. T-Boy, you are the only one left. Come on, you can do it, C-Boy. We trust you. Do you do fintech? What does fintech means? I don't know what does that mean, honestly. Have you thought about some other challenges rewards for higher volume of channel points? Some other challenges rewards for higher volume of channel points. I mean, pins. I have a few ideas for the channel points as well, but I couldn't choose them properly. But I know I can't use channel points right now as I want, but maybe I will try something else for C. C-Boy couldn't solve this one. Maybe you should check for C at least. You can just with you just need to find the not represented digit in the list. So there are all digits from 0 to 9, and you just need to print which digit couldn't didn't contain in that given string. I'm sorry, I mean this, since the sum of the all digits, which is 45, I will extract the 45, the all digits total of the all the digits in that string, and that gives me the not visible one for the digit as a result. I mean, this is the first thing that comes to my mind, which is subtracting which by 45, and it passed all the test cases. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private class here. Start a new one. Copy the link. Let me custom my code. Edit. And save it. Yeah, you can type exclamation.link to the chat. Do you currently work remotely? Yes, I work in remotely since middle of the March, if I remember correctly, or February. I don't know. It might be also February, but yeah, I work from home since then. Do you think that remote work will stay up even after the pandemic ends? I mean, there are a lot of companies that change their working policies for. If I remember correctly, Microsoft did that, Twitter did that. All of them, people can fully work remotely. I mean, in Akbank, I don't think it will and it will be permanent remotely. When people when pandemic goes down, and I hope it ends sometimes, and they will start again as day before. Okay, we are now 13 people. That's nice. Oh, that's an easy look and say seconds, right? I think this. Maybe these are same codes as well. Okay, let's create a string builder for that. There is builder from and I was playing the return the code one line instead of validating it. And no, I should not add this one. Won't work. We're starting with length plus if as full as that means and counter and character b minus 1, and after added counter is 1 to 1 at if they are equal counter plus plus. The result string builder. This is the correct one. Let's try this one. Will be 3C 4D. Oops, I didn't count the 4D. Aha, because there's already They're still counting. Ah. Is that one? If counter isn't 1, no, it still can be 1. Counter is 0, maybe. Let's let's try what happens if counter is set to 0. There's a no, not the correct one because we set the counter here, but at the end, yeah, we never checked the maybe sp dot append counter and append. No matter what, we add the last character of that s dot length -1. Okay, let's play all these cases. Oh, Zappa! Oh my god, I totally miss your raid. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Zappa. I really appreciate that. Welcome all. Welcome. Yeah, I'll pass all today's cases. Nice. So I can submit it. Yeah, sorry about that. When I focused the question itself, I couldn't solve your rate. Thank you so much. For who knows, who doesn't know Zappa, by the way, he's also a CodinGame streamer. He streams a lot. I mean, 4 hours, 5 hours long. A shout out. Let's give him some credit. I mean, he streams a lot in CodinGame as well. I mean, you should really follow his channel as well. Thank you so much, Safa. Thank you for the raid. Don't you need to print the counter and the last value of either way? Yeah, exactly, Pins. That was my fault, honestly. Since I always check the previous character is the equal the current character. That's why I completely ignore the last character. And after the for loop, I added as an last character as well, and it solved all the test cases. Last champ, hello, welcome. Paranoid and algebra 75%. Why? I think you always check the previous character. You didn't do that, as far as I can see here. Or did you? You're supposed to check if previous is not equal to current. Exactly. In my case, I'm not checking. Yeah, you're right. Let's check paranoid code. Yeah, last champ, you missed the door, right? You missed the door. In some stream, I will put some door image on my camera. Don't worry about it. Yeah, June was assault. Paranoid. What did you hear? Um. Okay. Oh, a lot of triple or assaults. I like this kind of questions. By the way, guys, this is there is a sequence which is called look and say sequence. You can check its Wikipedia page, for example, and it's called look and say sequence, which you can look how many times that came the adjust characters are the same, and you can times how many counts as a counter and the character itself. It's called look and say sequence. You can check its Wikipedia page as well if you like. I like this kind of questions. One is difficulty perfect and test case relevancy is ideal. Yeah, June also sold. Sunflow has also sold, that's nice. UC Bar and Snoezy, only one, two people still clashing. See you, Sunflow. Take care. Okay, Sinews also sold in Lua. Wow, this is the first time I saw someone solving Lua. That's nice. Only the Usubar left. Yeah, changing optics, exactly. Yeah, the clash is complete now. It's 50%. Let's check how Alice solved this one. Okay, I am not even checking Alice code because I don't even understand it. Let's check the Python, some Python code maybe. Oh, there's also ITAR tools. Oh, the group by for all XA combinations, X probably the count of the number, count of the character, and Y is the probably character itself maybe. Pins also sold in Python. Yeah, exactly. It's all with the same as I did. And this is the let me try to explain. First of all, I created here with a string builder, which you can depends on the language because in C#, for example, strings are immutable types. That's why I created a mutable string, which is string builder, and set the counter 1, and starting with the second character for the string, and until the last character, but it doesn't take the last character, of course. If the current character isn't equal to the previous character, I will add that counter and the character itself, previous character itself, to the string builder, and I set the counter to 1. If not, I increase the counter. That means I am going to do with the same character. After that, I only didn't take the last character, and for the last character, I append the counter and the last character itself. and I will create it as a toString method, which is a creates and returns a string for to write at write to console at least. Yeah, I like this question. Oh, exclamation good, exclamation good. Oh, okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's a nice spot actually. It seems a nice spot. Yeah. Uh, okay, guys. Let's call the night. I mean, it's almost 3 hours again, and I'm a little bit tired, honestly. Alice, Seos, Asparagus Pins, J. Cole, Seaboy, Rohit, June, Sunflow, Sneus, Paranoid, Algebra, UC Bar. I mean, thank you for all joining me tonight again. I mean, it means a lot. And let's shout out my social accounts. You can see my Twitter and YouTube page as well. As I said, Soner is the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, June. Thank you. And as I said, by the way, if you want to support my channel, I mean, you can always subscribe it to support my streams as well. Thank you so much, and I will rate Lana Lux, which is, she is some kind of game developer, and um, rate Lana Lux. If you know her, you probably already know her. It is one of the biggest science and technology um, streamers in Twitch. He creates like for a game development, for example. And let me close this one. Yeah, thank you for all. I mean, have a good night or have a good day whenever you are in the world. And thank you so much, guys. I will rate at the same time probably tomorrow night as well. I mean, uh, take care of yourself. Thank you so much, Yun. And I will rate to Lana. See you tomorrow night, by the way. Thank you for all. I mean, have a good night. Have a good day whenever you are in the world. And thank you so much. Have a good night, guys.